can see I have new visitors, uninvited visitors. One here, I think one or two here, one here, there's one here. Today we're going to be trying out the popular clay mask. I talked about this mask in my at-home facial steaming video. If you've not watched that video, go ahead and watch it. I'm going to link it somewhere here or in the description box below. I talked about this mask, and at the time I had not gotten this mask, but now I have it, and here is the star of the show. This is the Indian Healing Clay mask. It claims to be the world's most powerful facial, so we're going to see how true that is. I've seen so many reviews about this. People have been raving about it, and trust me, I'm going to try it out because these things are looking like they're about to crown me acne prone fairy godmother. Oh, God forbid. Oh my God, I beg. As funny as that sounds, God, I beg. So we're just going to go right into it. Now let's read the directions together. It says to mix the clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar. Here is the second star of the show. The 2 ingredients for a mask at home. So let's continue with the instructions. It says to mix with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar or water Use a non-metal bowl and utensil. Stir the mixture well to a smooth paste. Add more clay or liquid as needed and apply to the face. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. You will feel a pulling and tightening sensation. Feel your face pulsate. Jesus. Remove clay by washing with warm water. Slight redness of the skin is normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. Yes, I've heard that before. It removes impurities and dirt from pores. This is a deep pore cleansing mask. Use it once per week for family, more often for problem skin. Men love it too. Am I missing something? Why do they feel the need to tell us? I'm like, who cares? Anyways, let us get right into the video, okay? This is what it looks like inside. I'm not going to get this. So we have this here. I'm going to go ahead and mix it with the apple cider vinegar. I forgot to mention that I got the clay for 6,000 naira, and I got the apple cider vinegar for 5,000 naira. Yes, this is the small one. They have like a big one, so that's about it. That's about that. So I'm just going to mix it to a fine paste, and I'm going to let it get really thick, because the thicker it is, the faster it dries up. That's what they say. So this is what it looks like. So you guys, I have just steamed my face, so I'm not going to bore you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and apply. Oh my God, this is so, the smell is something else. People say that this mask is also good for the hair, but that's not what we're trying to do today. Let's just focus on our face first and see. I think that this mask is quite affordable because those that have used it said they use it for up to like 6 months for 6,000 naira. Even some people say they use it for more than 6 months. It lasts more than 6 months. So imagine, it's like you're paying for a mask 1K per month. So it's affordable in my opinion. Okay. I have remnants. I'm going to be leaving this in my fridge or something, nothing is going to waste. It's not going to waste. So that's it, guys. I'm just going to wait for about 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay guys, it's been 20 minutes. I can't move my face very well, but it's been 20 minutes because I had a thicker what's it called, I applied more on this part, so they are taking so long to dry, but I don't want to leave it for more than 20 minutes because we don't want any issue. Okay, so here is my, I don't know if you can see the steam of the water. It says to use warm water, so my water has boiled too much. I'm enjoying this thing way too much than I expected. But anyways, I read somewhere that you're not supposed to wash this off in your sink because there's a probability that it will clog, you know, your sink. So I'm just going to go out and wash off. You're supposed to use either wash directly or use a washcloth. Soak the washcloth inside the warm water and use it to dab because it takes time to come off. But I don't think mine will take time to come off because I didn't let it dry completely. Although these places that have like thin layers have already dried. As you can see, like, oh my god, this place is not even moving. So I'm just going to I'm having way too much fun with this thing. Let me go and wash off and I'll be back. So that's it, guys. I just washed off my face and I don't see too much redness, or I don't even see any redness at all. And like I said, just a little bit. I think some places around my nose, not too much, and I didn't feel a pulsating whatever. It just has this mint-like feeling. I think that's why I even enjoyed the process. Are my uninvited guests still here? Yes, they are. They are not going to go off overnight, but I'm going to repeat this process once every week, and I'll be back after a month to give a review about these clay marks, to say what, you know, the things that I think about it. Please let me know in the comments if you've tried using these marks before, or if you're going to try using these marks. This is for acne prone skin. If you don't have acne issues, I just think you should just try maybe like once in a month, you know. So yeah, that's it, guys. So let me know if you have any questions. If you've used this before, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll be doing a review after using it for once a week in a month. I'm going to talk about my experience, maybe make another video, or just let you guys know in the comments what I think. I don't know, depends on what you want. Just let me know in the comment section. Can you peep the glow on my face already? Anyways, yeah, that's it. I feel refreshed, to be honest. I feel refreshed. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment in the comment section, and most importantly, please subscribe if you enjoyed my video and if you want to see more of this beautiful glowing skin. See, when my face is going to clear up, like when I have like a clear skin, according to my name, Claire, the internet will not be able to break. Do you understand? Like, you guys, you just be prepared to be sick of me, okay? Thanks so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.